Hello! In this video I'm gonna show you your options about Do Not Disturb mode time on your Galaxy A55 5G. Let's do this. From the main screen we have to go to Settings and Notifications. Here we have Do Not Disturb button. We have to go there, and here we can choose for how long. Until I turn it off is the first option. 1 hour or less, 45 minutes, 30, 15 minutes, and more. The longest time that this Do Not Disturb mode can be turned on, it's 12 hours, or of course, if you will choose until I turn it off, it would work more. And ask every time. It's your 3 options. And if we will choose, for example, until I turn it off, we have to click OK, and now it works. So if you found this video helpful, I hope you will visit our other videos on our channel from the series Galaxy A55, and let's see each other again in one of them. Bye!